Two rounds built to push the limits of pistol firepower. The 7.5 FK Bruno and the .40 Super aren't for the casual shooter. They're for those chasing rifle-level energy out of a handgun. But they couldn't be more different in how they deliver that power. Let's break it down. The 7.5 FK Bruno was developed in the Czech Republic to bridge the gap between a handgun and a carbine, designed specifically for long-range accuracy, with a 95 to 100 grain bottlenecked bullet flying over 2,000 feet per second. The .40 Super, on the other hand, was developed in the late 1990s by Triton and Olympic Arms. It's a .45 ACP case necked down to .40 caliber, strengthened to handle up to 37,000 psi. That's rifle pressure in a modified 1911. 7.5 FK Bruno 95 grain bullet at 2,000 plus feet per second. Delivers over 600 foot-pounds of energy with a flat trajectory out to 100 meters. Think of it as a precision rifle bullet in a pistol-sized wrapper. .40 Super 135 to 200 grain bullets. Speeds vary from 1,300 to 1,800 feet per second, depending on the load. Muzzle energy? Up to 800 foot-pounds with the lighter bullets. So while the .40 Super may hit harder with the right load, the Bruno wins on velocity, trajectory, and controllability. The 7.5 Bruno is tied to one platform, the FK Field Pistol, or its PSD variant. It's expensive, heavy, and proprietary, but purpose-built. The .40 Super was designed to be run in converted .45 ACP pistols, especially 1911s. That means a simple barrel and spring swap gets you in the game. One's a self-contained system, the other, a powerful plug-and-play wildcat. So what were they built for? Bruno was designed for military and security teams. Long-range hits, high accuracy, barrier penetration. It's a holster-sized precision weapon system. .40 Super was built for personal defense, hunting, and raw stopping power. Think big game backup gun, bear defense, or just a handgun that hits like a truck. One's surgical, one's brute force. 7.5 FK Bruno Pro's accuracy, flat trajectory, proprietary system. Cons: expensive, limited availability. .40 Super Pro's massive energy, 1911 compatibility, flexible loads. Cons ammo is hard to find and it's hard on your gun. Verdict: if you want precision at distance, Bruno. If you want Magnum level knockdown power in a familiar platform, .40 Super. Which would you carry? Follow at 5G1 and subscribe to 5 Guns 1 for more exotic ammo, face-offs, and tactical deep dives.